Hey guys, so welcome to another episode of this vlog for Fanboy SEO. And ngayon, galing lang ako sa event ng Ariga Toys and gusto ko lang gumawa ng unboxing video for today's episode. So, ito yung binigay nila. This is a very big bag of goodies. So, natuwa naman ako kaya parang gusto ko lang din i-flex. Tsaka syempre, i-share. So, thank you Ariga Toys for the invite and I'll be writing about the event soon. Pero ito muna, pagbuksan mo natin yung first content natin for this whole thing is yung yung goodie bag nila which is so big. Sobrang panalo. So anyway, buksan natin to. So ang nila was really to showcase yung mga bagong products ng mga brands like Iron Studios, like Kotobukiya, like Good Smile, sila Nendoroid. So yun yung whole point of the whole And then syempre they also awarded several sellers, several stores, several brands here in the Philippines who are at least in Metro Manila who are really good dun sa nila. Either they were rookies na nag-excel o yung mga long time stores na alam mo yun, super ganda ng business nila. So yun yung din nila for the event. So first off, buksan natin. They sent over, this is a cap from Iron Studios. So yeah, Iron Studios ba yun? Kinda? No, hindi pala to. Yeah, Iron Studios nga, Iron Studios. Ayan, Iron Studios. So yan, thanks Iron Studios. I love it. Looks good. Next, naglagay din si Queen Studio ng, eye shade. So nice. I need this. Eye shade. Queen Studios. They display nila doon is yung super awesome na mga statues na mga rin. License. Tapos ito naman ay galing kay Ariga Toys, notebook. So notebook, salamat. Obviously may gagamit na nito. So ito rin yung mga brands na kinikerry nila dito. Ayan. So si Mighty Jacks, si XM Studio, si Good Smile, si Kotobukiya, si Iron Studios, and si what's this other one? Queen Studios. Ito yung mga partner brands nila. They distribute here in the Philippines. Tapos, ito ano to? Mukhang alam ko na to. Mug. I need a new mug, so yes. I will always say yes to a new mug. So, ito ay galing kay Iron Studios ulit. Winner. Thank you. Black pa. Perfect. Okay. Tapos, meron din tayong ito mga goodies na to. Kokone Link. How do I? Yeah, Kokone Link. So it's like this. So this is an acrylic stand. So kung ito yung mga bagong gimmicks for anime ngayon, mga anime games and movies. Actually, meron akong Samurai X dito, Rurouni Kenshin. So ito rin, meron silang ganito ngayon. Tapos, ano pa? Meron ding flyer. Tapos ano pa? Natin. Ito naman ay panalo. Salamat. Hindi ko alam kung masaya po meron tayong ganito. So this is a acrylic Kotobukiya na na stand. Acrylic lang na stand. Pero okay to I love it. Tapos ito ay this is cool. Meron tayong Nendoroid na calendar 2024. Thank you, Good Smile. Thank you, Ariga Toys. I love it. Okay to. Kailangan ko to. Ano pa? Tapos, meron din tayong what's this? Ito. Napanalunan ko sa raffle kanina. Dahil late ako, dapat wala akong prize kasi wala akong raffle. Pero nung sabi nila, check nyo yung ilalim ng upuan, may sticker na may pirma, kunin nyo yon and you will get this. So ito yon. This is from, I don't know, this is what brand is this? I forgot. I'll check later. Pero ito, this is a Iron Man Marvel Bluetooth earphones. So, mamaya unbox natin to. Let's do a separate unboxing video for this. This looks promising actually. Tapos, ay, nauubos na. Ano pa ba? Ito, ano to? Oy! Transformers figurine from Mighty Jaxx. Ayan o, Transformers figurine from Mighty Jaxx. So, ganda ng lagayan. Tapos may rarity din siya. Rarity rate. So, makikita nyo dito, ayan. Yung rarity. Kung rare yung mga characters mo, nandyan siya, dapat. You'll see it there. So, yan. Sino ba pinaka-rare sa kanila? Meron silang Chrome na Optimus, Chrome na Megatron at saka Electric Optimus Prime. Electrium Optimus Prime. Tapos may mga ano, may Grimlock. Panalo to. May Devastator din. Ayan. So, ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko, ayan o. Si Chrome na Megatron, tsaka Electrium na Optimus Prime. Tapos yung regular Optimus and yung regular Megatron, si Hot Rod. Sino itong black? Si Ravage pala yun. Tapos yun nga, si Optimus, tsaka si Bumblebee, si Grimlock, tsaka si Soundwave, si RC, at tsaka si Devastator. Ayun. Mamaya buksan natin kung sino natin ano. Tapos, we also have Q Posket. At actually, Q Posket ba to? Good Smile din to eh. Pero si Joker to. Ito yung bago nilang line, Hello Good Smile. Ayan, ito yung bago nilang line, Hello Good Smile. This featuring si Joker from Persona 5 Royal. So, ano rin to? Unbox din natin to. By the way, po-post ko rin to sa TikTok. So, isa-isa kong yung mga unboxing. Iyan natin sa TikTok. What else? Meron din akong... Actually, wala na. Ito na. Last. Masaya. They sent over QP Mini Gurai. So, this is yung mga gun frame girls na QP Mini, frame arm girls pala. So frame arms girls to na miniature version. Si Gurai ito. Tapos ito yung front niya. This is the side. And then this is the back. Ayan. Ito yung character. So ayan nga, sige there you go. So very cool. So, may nakita. Ito pa pala. Ano to? Link din na pin. So, yan. Very, I am not familiar. So, siguro I will read kung ano to. Pero, hindi ako familiar eh. Pero that doesn't mean it's gonna stop me from checking. So, yun. So, yun nga. Thank you ng madami sa Arigatoys for this. I had fun dun sa event and ready na akong magsulat na tsaka gumawa ng content for this. And guys, if you want more unboxing videos and more of this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Tsaka syempre, subscribe para makita nyo. I'll try to do as much unboxing as possible. Pero yun nga for today. Thank you for watching guys. I hope to see you soon and ingat lagi guys. Bye bye.